Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Zia. Zia has been trading with us from February the 4th, 2021 up until the present day of 4th of May 2021. Zia has been trading from $15,000 up to $30,000 and now managing 60,000 US dollars. Zia's maintained an absolute gain of 9.22% and a daily gain of 0.20%, with a monthly gain of 6.86% and a drawdown of 7.90%. So looking at Zia's gains, as you can see, she hit 15.5% here, and we can see 11.4%, 11.8%, and minus 1.81%. So this is a very good account. And what kind of to show you how this concept of less is more is a great concept as well. Zia has been with us for only just under 4 months, February, March, April, May, and only executed 23 trades, which gives us a rate of 17 out of 23 wins, lost 6 out of 23, and represents a 74% to 26 effective rate. So Zia's maintained a 74% average gain. Actually, her analysis are 74% on accurate all the time. So being 74% accurate and only losing 26% of your trades is extremely good. Let's see how she done it. She traded quite a few pairs, mainly pound pairs. We have the pound AUD, pound CAD, pound Swiss franc, pound yen, pound New Zealand dollar, and pound US dollar. And the big gains came from the pound AUD, where we made a total of 308 pips on the long side and 115 pips on the short side. And on the pound yen, 55 pips on the short, no trades on the short. Pound NZD, 474 pips 30, which gives us a total of 2044.35, giving us a grand total of 1865.92, taking fact a total grand total of 425 pips 30. So this was executed finessely and very good. And what I like to say here is that this trader has been very good with money management. And let's look at the growth, because in February 3.69% growth, in March 10.74% growth, April 3.54% growth, and May 3.79% growth. So I can make a few recommendations. First of all, I'd like you to stick to the pairs that have given you the consistent growth. And that's the pound AUD, that's the pound yen, and that's the pound New Zealand dollar. These pairs have given you significant gains. So always try and stick to these pairs when you're trading, because you're never going to be far away from the money. And more importantly as well, you have to trade like an athlete, just like you're playing sports. You have to practice off the market when the market is closed and analyze the market when the market's opened, because that way you're going to have more consistency with your trades. Always stay disciplined, because the discipline is a fundamental part of foundation to the success of being a successful trader. And if you follow these traits, you're always going to be successful and going to make money in this market. So I wish you all the best and a very great effort in achieving your success of hitting 10%. Congratulations.